Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create database and do certain things based on NIELIT practical exam questions for DCA, that is Diploma in Computer Application. You can see the question on the screen. Let me read out for you. In MS Access, create a database called BankDB and then create a table called employees with the following field names, and the field names are employee ID, employee name, gender, date of joining, designation, salary, mobile number, address. Each field should have a specific data types as it is shown on the screen. After a table has been created, we are going to do the following questions as you see on the screen, and the questions are: enter 5 records in the table using forms. We need to enter 5 records in the table using forms. Display list of employees in alphabetical order using reports. Display list of employees in descending order of salary. Display the total salary in the report. So let's get started. Click blank database and give a name to your database, that is BankDB according to question, and choose the location where you want to save the database. As for me, I will just save it in the desktop and click OK, and then click create. Now a table is ready to create. Let me change the view of this table. Right click on the table header and click design view, or you can also change the view from here. Click and change. You can switch the view, either dataset view or design view, and the current view is in dataset view, so let me change it to design view and give a name to your table. According to the questions, the table name should be employee. Click OK. Now let us start filling the field names. According to the questions, let us see what are the field names. The first field name is employee ID, employee name, gender, and so on. Employee ID. According to the questions, the data type for employee ID should be number. And next field name is employee name. Press tab, and the data type is short text, so employee name. Gender, data type short text. Date of joining. Press tab and choose date and time. Next field name is designation. Press tab, designation, short text. Salary. Data type is number for salary. Mobile number. For mobile number, the data type should be long number. Then address. Address, long text. Okay, we have created a table. Now let me save. Right click and save. Okay, I have saved the table. You have to understand that for every table there should be a primary key. So by default, employee ID has been assigned as the primary key. If it was not assigned, I have to assign either this or this. So it has already been assigned. Okay, so let it be. Now let me close this table and let's go to the next question. We have created a table but we haven't entered records. See, open this table, the table is blank. We can actually enter the records directly into the table, but according to the question we are supposed to enter records using forms. Okay, so let me leave this and let me create forms. Go to create form widget, add the field names one by one, or to add all at a time, click the double arrows, click next, next, rename the forms, employee form, click finish. This is our form. Let me start entering the forms one by one. 101, employee name, Sophia, gender female, date of joining, designation, manager, salary, mobile number, address. Things my press tab to enter to go to next record. Employee ID 102, employee name, press tab, gender male, date of joining. I can randomly type like this. Designation, share, salary, mobile number, address, press tab. So far I have entered 2 records. The current record is 3. Press tab to go to the next record. That's it. Right click on the form header and click save. Right click again and close. Now let us open the table and see if whatever we have entered is there or not. See, everything is there, right? We have entered this record using form. Let me close this table. Now let's go to the next question. That is, display list of employees in alphabetical order using reports. Now we're going to create report. Go to create menu and click report widget. Double click, next, next, choose employee name here, and this ascending, let it be like this, and click next, put it in landscape, and then click next, and let's rename this report. Click finish. This is our report, and let us adjust the report. See, it's not showing properly. The white is too large, the gap is too large, so let us adjust this report. To do that, right click on the report header, right click and choose layout view. Let us adjust the white of this cell. Let's move. You can drag using mouse like this, or you can use arrow keys, left, right, up, down, left. Press the left arrow key to move to the left. You can also use your mouse and drag like this. Gender. To align on the left, go to Home menu and click left alignment. Same for this. Click left alignment. Let us fit it in one pages. Okay. So this is it. Right click and save. Right click again and choose report view. So this is our report. Okay, so see, you can actually see the names of the employees in ascending order, starting from F, G, S, and so on. Okay, so let's close this and see the next question. The next question is display list of employees in descending order of salary. We are going to display list of employees in descending order of their salary. So let's do that. Go to create report widget. You can add one by one like this, or click double arrow to put it at time. Click next. So the question was, we are going to put the employees in descending order of their salary. Okay, so here we are going to choose the salary and click this one to make it ascending, sorry, to make it descending. Click next, and this time let us choose portrait, because the previous one we choose landscape and it doesn't fit properly. Let's try this one this time, portrait. Click next, and the name employee in okay. Let me go back and to make sure I chose descending. Yes, I chose descending. Okay, next, finish. So this is our report, and this is portrait view. And so let us adjust the report because some numbers are not showing correctly. Right click, layout view, adjust the white, Alright, what is this? Date of joining. Okay, so let us align this column on the left side. See, this is on the right side, isn't it? So let's put it on the left side. So go to home and click left alignment. See, mobile number, okay, okay, address, okay. Right click and save. So go to report view and see your report. You can actually see the salaries in descending order, starting from 30,000, 25, 15, 15, 10. Okay, so let us close this. We are done with this. Let's go to the next question. Display the total salary in the report. Display the total salary in the report. Let's do this. Let's create another report. Go to report widget, add all the fields, click next. Here this time you can just skip it, just click next. Okay, let's click next. Here let's rename the report employee total salary. Finish. Now let us adjust the weight of this report. Right click and click layout view. Go to home, choose left alignment, designation, file number. Okay, all right. Now click on the salary column somewhere here and do right click and choose total salary and click sum. We have the total sum of the salary. It's 95,000. You can highlight this by going to home and choose a color like this. Okay, you can make the text bold. You can change the color of the text like this. Right click, save, right click, go to report view. Here is your report. Right click and close. So here is the table we have just created. Here is the form that we have created to enter the records, and these are the reports. And this is the navigation pane. You can hide like this, you can open like this, and once you're done with your database you can close this table. And I saved the database in my desktop. It is right here, as you can see. Let me open and see. And here it is. Alright, so thank you for watching. Goodbye.